Okay, so this is not a McDonald's that you'd probably typically want to go to pick up an order for $5.75. It's the one on the corner of Sahara, and we're on Sahara right now, and Paradise Road, which is where the Sahara Hotel is, and go down the road a little bit and you got the Westgate and stuff. So it looks like it's getting dropped off probably at a hotel or a condo or something nearby, and that could be an issue, and maybe I shouldn't have taken this one, but it's going to be I don't know, it's going to be interesting to see how this one turns out. It could be an adventure, but yeah, I'm going to go get this order and then we'll see where it's going. And it could be a really easy drop off. It could just be going to a local business next door or something, but it also could be going to the 27th floor of a hotel. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out here in a minute. Okay, so you see where we are? This is why I'm starting to get a little worried about taking this delivery. I'm gonna sling it up right here. Okay, let's see if I can go in and get this without any trouble. Okay, so it's ready. That's always helpful. Don't know where it's going yet still. We'll find out here in a second. Okay, so yeah, we're going to the Sahara. Looks like the 32nd floor. Didn't really feel like doing strip deliveries today, which is why I didn't come to the strip to deliver, but you know, this is going to be a very difficult $5.75. But I mean, I shouldn't complain. Life could certainly be worse than this. I'm out here on a beautiful morning on a Honda Ruckus, about to turn onto Las Vegas Boulevard, and getting paid for it. I mean, does it get any better than this? Wow, is that a, what is that? A Silverwing? It's a big scooter. Okay, they want me to hand it to them, which means I gotta go up to the 32nd floor. I'm probably gonna have to take my helmet off, and my GoPro camera is attached to it. It's unlikely that they're gonna let me wear this inside of a hotel and casino. So I don't know, but right now I gotta get a green arrow. There we go. Alright, so I don't even know where to park for this. I don't think I've ever taken a delivery to the Sahara before. Why would it want me to go all the way down the road and then come back? I don't know. Maybe it'd be faster that way? See if they'll let me park up front. I'm gonna ask the guy. Hold on. We're going over here. Let's see what's up. Okay, so let's put it in the parking garage. had to go around. But I'm on a scooter, so I can do this. The scooter hack. If you're a long-time viewer of this channel, then you certainly know this parking garage. Let's see, we want to get as close to an elevator as possible. Park it right over here next to my moto brethren. Yeah, put it in a spot so nobody gets mad. Okay, so we're on the 4th level. Okay, I'm gonna have to deal with this, guys. I'm gonna have to take my helmet off. This is probably gonna be a production, but I'll let you know how it went. Alright. That was actually quite a production. Took about 20 minutes to drop off an order that I'm making $5.75 on. But it's not the customer's fault, and she was super nice. I am not allowed to go up to the rooms here unless I'm a hotel guest. I didn't realize that. I didn't know it was that way now. It didn't used to be. So, yeah, now I'm out of my delivery zone. What the hell is this? This is the fun part. Super speed. It's about as fast as the Ruckus ever goes. Or about as quickly as the Ruckus ever accelerates, is when it's doing so downhill. Okay, so better turn my phone on, have my screen on in case we get any more hits. So yeah, I don't know, that whole delivery took me about half an hour, I guess, for $5.75. I never mind going to the Sahara. I've always enjoyed it. The pool is super awesome. But again, they make it a little too difficult for food delivery people. And once I got in there, I couldn't get the app to call her or text her, so I had to go to the front desk. She had to call her twice, the girl at the front desk, and eventually you know, she said she's going to come down. And then the woman at the front desk said, go to the elevators at the right over there and just stand there and she'll come out. And like 8 minutes went by and she didn't come out, and then she texted me through Doordash. That finally started working. I was able to text her back and say, hey, I'm here next to the front desk holding a red bag, and then she came over. And yeah, so I mean, they have a designated you know, pick up and drop off spot for Uber Eats, or I mean, not Uber Eats, Uber and Lyft and whatever else, so they ought to do it for Uber Eats and DoorDash and Grubhub and stuff, but they do not. I'm gonna have to plug my phone in here pretty soon. Guy's got a Nan Robot e-scooter. That's cool. Oh, that guy's got a motorcycle very similar to mine. I thought about riding my motorcycle again. It wouldn't take much to get it going. But, you know, like, I don't know. I stopped riding it because things are getting a lot crazier around here, and if I have the temptation of going much faster than I could on this, I usually will. And that's why I got this, is because, you know, try as I might, it's just really hard to get into any kind of trouble on this thing. You know, it just doesn't go fast enough. So as long as I can make myself visible enough, and being 6'3" and having a giant delivery box with reflectors on it probably helps. And again, not being able to go any faster than 35-40 miles an hour, I don't know. I'm not safer on this, but I do definitely feel safer on this, to the point where I'll ride it no-handed much of the time. But you probably shouldn't do that. Always ride your scooter safely. But you see, that's what I'm talking about. I do really stupid stuff on my motorcycle, and I had to stop riding it because of that, because I had a really close call the second to last time that I rode it. And I feel like getting on that thing and taking it out on the road at this point would just be tempting fate. And I'm not trying to do that, so I ride my Ruckus and my electric scooters. Alright, well, we should be within the yeah, I mean, I think we're in the delivery zone. And there's an IHOP right there, there's a Denny's right there. There's a ton of restaurants between here and downtown. So on a Saturday, we should be getting hit with something right now, especially after we just took a McDonald's order that took fucking forever. I mean, they should throw me a bone after that.